Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, confirmation has come to a story first reported by the RGR Gleaner Group that American sprint ace Sha'carri Richardson will miss the 100 meters at this summer's Olympic Games. Now, Richardson has accepted a 1-month suspension after testing positive for cannabis, according to the United States anti-doping agency USADA. Kean Rayner has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
American 100 meters champion Sha'carri Richardson, who was a medal contender for the Olympic Games in 4 weeks' time, took responsibility and apologized for using the banned drug marijuana during an interview on NBC on Friday. She said her infraction happened while dealing with the news of the death of her mother.
Like I tweeted and said yesterday, I'm human. We're human. My statement, what I always say in my interviews, I want to be as transparent as possible with you guys, whether it's good, whether it's bad. But when it comes to Sha'carri Richardson, it's never been a steroid. It will never be a steroid attached to the name Sha'carri Richardson. The charge and what the situation was marijuana.
The 21-year-old is already looking forward to returning to the track and hopes to win gold medals at future global events.
This is just one game. I'm 21. I'm very young. Unlike most, I have plenty of games left in me to compete in, and I have plenty of talent that backs me up because everything I do comes to me naturally. No steroid, no anything. This incident was about marijuana. So after my sanction is up, I'll be back and able to compete. And every single time I step on the track, I'll be ready for whatever anti-doping agency to come and get what it is that they need.
USA Track and Field, in a statement on Friday, said Richardson's situation is incredibly unfortunate and devastating. They indicated they will work with Sha'carri to ensure she has ample resources to overcome any mental health challenges now and in the future. CEO of the U.S. Anti-Doping Agency, Travis Steigart, says hopefully her acceptance of responsibility and apology will be an important example to us all that we can successfully overcome our regrettable decisions despite the costly consequences of this one to her. A 30-day ban backdated to the time of the positive test could leave Richardson clear to race in the 4x100 meters relay at the Olympics in the first week of August if she is selected by USATF. Richardson has come under fire previously for working with coach Dennis Mitchell, the former Olympic 100 meters finalist and relay gold medalist who served a 2-year ban for excess testosterone. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.